Hi, Manuel, and everyone at AGM. I'm Frank Allgäuer, and I just wanted to say a big thank you for the fantastic AI Mastermind workshop a few days ago. Before I joined, I was pretty overwhelmed by all the different ways you guys at AGM do digital marketing. It, it doesn't seem too complicated, but I knew I have to use AI if I wanted to make the most of social media to grow my brand. But the big question was where and how do I start? So the AI Mastermind workshop came at the perfect time for me. And I decided to give Manuel's workshop a try. So, what can I say? Wow, it really changed things for me. Everything we learned was clear and practical. We went over everything from making a brand, planning a launch, setting up a website, to making interesting content for the social media posts and all the rest. So, spending those 2 days at the workshop really helped me go from feeling kind of lost to feeling sure I can make my brand a success. And I've already started using what I've learned at the workshop in my own business. So, one of the best things I have to say I learned was how to get better results by tweaking the AI prompts. And as a member of the Honeycomb community, I am now really excited to use all the AI stuff I learned at the workshop alongside of the coaching inside Honeycomb for my brand, Natural Stride. So let me say this, if you're thinking about going to a future AI mastermind run by Manuel Suarez, don't think twice, just go. I can't say enough good things about it. All right, thanks, guys.